We're back at Judy's Keto Kitchen, Keto Naturopath Kitchen, and today I'm making a cheesy, dairy-free keto muffin. And you're going to say cheesy and dairy-free? Yes. It's going to be made with nutritional yeast. We've been dairy-free for about 25, 30 years. And whenever I wanted a cheesy flavor, I'd add nutritional yeast. What I did is the other day, it was for my birthday and I wanted pizza. So I made my pizza crust and made a pizza, and I had some leftover dough. So I put it in little muffin tins and I thought, well, I could make mini pizzas out of this. And it was amazing. It was great. And then I thought, wait a minute, this would be great with cheesy, dairy-free, with nutritional yeast. So today I'm making the cheesy, dairy-free keto muffins. So I start off, I have six egg whites in here. And to that I am adding 27 grams of egg white powder, a quarter of a teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of gelatin. I have found that adding gelatin to these egg mixtures makes the texture so good. It's very different. You know, when I first started making all these breads, it was like, they were like cardboard. And I'm like, whoa, who could you had to have a cup of tea or a glass of water because you just couldn't eat it because it was like cardboard. So I'm also adding a half a teaspoon of butter extract. It's just McCormick. I get it Walmart. Give it the butter flavor because, you know, dairy-free, you don't add butter to it. All right, so I'm going to whip this up to a stiff peak. All right, first, so it doesn't all splatter all over the place, I'll mix it up a little bit. Now, here we go. Okay, so that's stiff peaks. Now, to this, we're going to add 40 grams of nutritional yeast. I bought Anthony's brand. It doesn't matter what kind you buy. And I'm also going to add in the 6 egg yolks. I love the richness egg yolks give this. Now, if you wanted this for PSMF days, you would not add the egg yolks. You would just make it with the egg whites. Now, I used to fold all this in and be very careful, and now I'm like, you know, I'm just going to use the hand mixer to make sure it all mixes in well. So, we're just going to mix. Oh, that looks so good. Nice and rich color with the added egg yolks. So now I'm going to put it into silicone muffin tins. I'm not sure how many of these will make. So I have these silicone muffin tins, and also what I did before was I used these, I call them whoopie pie forms, even though I've never made whoopie pies. So these made good flat for mini pizzas, but I'm going to make them today in muffin tins. If I make 12 of these, that would be a good amount. It's about the number of slices of bread that I get when I make breads with the egg whites. This does have egg yolks added to it, and the added bulk of the nutritional yeast may yield more. We'll see. 15 muffins from this. And I'm going to place them in a 350-degree oven, 12 minutes. I'll check them at 12 minutes. And then I'm going to let them cool a little, because if you try to take them out when they're hot, they're going to all split. So I'm going to put them in the oven for 12 minutes. Then we'll come back to taste them after they cool a bit. So I'm going to say it'll probably be 20 minutes before we come back to taste these. But I can't wait. So I took them out of the oven after 12 minutes, and it might take 12 to 15 minutes depending on your oven. So I'm not sure how these are going to be. My oven's not that hot, and they're still a little warm, but I can't wait. I just can't wait any longer. I am dying to try this. So These taste really good. They taste so cheesy. And there's no cheese. It's amazing. Oh, this, I'm having more. Enjoy.